Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Basic TSA rules for carry-on bags. Hello guys, in this video I will help you get through airport security with no problems. These are the basic TSA rules for carry-on bags when you fly in an airplane again. The Transportation Security Administration wants to reduce physical contact, so there are some things that stay in your carry-on bags and some things that go in the gray bin. You will know how to pack liquids for airport security. The TSA has strict rules for carry-on bags, including limits on liquids, 3.4 ounces or less in a quart-size bag, removable electronics, and prohibited items like knives and sporting goods. Travelers must follow these regulations for a smooth security screening process. The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, has specific guidelines and restrictions for items that passengers can bring in their carry-on bags when traveling by air. Liquids, aerosols, and gels must be placed in containers that are 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less per item. All liquids, aerosols, and gels must be placed in a single, quart-sized, resealable plastic bag for screening. Only one liquids bag is permitted per passenger for carry-on bags. Common liquid items that need to be properly packaged include water, beverages, shampoo, conditioner, lotions, toothpaste, and other toiletries. Medications, baby formula, and other essential liquids are allowed in reasonable quantities exceeding 3.4 ounces and do not need to be in the liquids bag. Solid food items such as bread, fruits, vegetables, and packaged snacks are generally permitted in carry-on bags. Passengers are required to remove their shoes, jackets, and any item from their pockets and place them in bins for X-ray screening. Laptops, tablets, and other large electronic devices must be removed from carry-on bags and placed in separate bins for screening. Sharp objects, including knives, scissors, and other blades, are prohibited in carry-on bags and should be placed in checked luggage. Sporting goods, such as baseball bats, golf clubs, and hockey sticks, must be checked and are not permitted in carry-on bags. Firearms and ammunition are strictly prohibited in carry-on bags but may be transported in checked luggage with proper documentation and declaration. Power tools, drills, saws, and other construction tools are generally not allowed in carry-on bags and should be checked. The TSA may conduct additional screenings, including pat-downs and bag inspections, as necessary for security purposes. Passengers with disabilities, medical conditions, or other specific needs should inform the TSA officer for appropriate accommodations during screening. It's crucial to review the SAS website or mobile app for the latest updates and changes to carry-on rules, as regulations may evolve over time. By adhering to these basic TSA rules for carry-on bags, passengers can ensure a smooth and efficient security screening process and avoid potential delays or confiscation of prohibited items. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.